Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Investing. My name is Albert and I am the owner of Smart Investing channel. So this is going to be my favorite topic. The topic for this one is future growth and personal business. So when it comes to future growth and personal business, I'm referring to myself. I'm not referring to the stock market, anything else. So let me get a drink of water real quick. So what I'm referring to for future growth is that I have made an impact in the finance industry and on Wall Street so much that the partnership that I have made with Bloomberg, very privileged. We're gonna do great things together. I see them as a leader in the finance media industry and the journalism workspace. I want them to be the best leader they possibly can be for that industry and for their market share. As for them assisting me and supporting me and financially growing together so we can grow businesses together. So I do have good news, and what I'm about to say is not something that I'm going to be working on real fast, but eventually. So the good news that I have is with this topic that I mentioned, I'm referring to starting my own business. So my business will consist of mainly financial consulting. It is different from being a financial advisor because the difference is with it, and I'm here to educate as well because this is what my business is going to be about. I have so much to offer and to provide services for individual investors. I don't do wealth management. I don't do advise anyone for buying and selling recommendations for stocks or bonds. I don't do none of that. I don't do any kind of asset management. I have to go licensed and insured for that, which I don't plan on doing. I don't plan on getting licensed for that. Insured, yes, eventually, but not for that kind of work. Uh, Again, the difference between financial advisor and financial consultant is when you're advising, your advisor is making the final decision for you. When it comes to consulting, I will be assisting you with your final decision. And your final decision is based on you. I have no control over that. I'm pretty much going to be doing all the heavy lifting. Any questions you have, I will explain it to the best of my ability. I have a very strong educational source that I can provide to you and for you with very easy access and for me to implement a system as to where you can understand my material, and then also it is fun and enjoyable for many ages as well. Again, my business will be catered to the Main Street investor, which will be pretty much 95% of the American population and the consumer. I don't see plans of growing internationally, but whatever happens, happens. When it comes to also investment research, I will still be providing that, and I will be providing that more often as well in a video format. Again, I only upload maybe once a week. I try to upload more than that, but again, the faster my business can grow when it comes to the financial backing and the success behind that, I can, move faster and do things more. So basically, the more money that I can earn in revenue and the growth potential that I have to offer will be the best in world class. I have different plans as to how Wall Street runs their asset management firms. This is strictly a different and more advanced uh, level as to what Wall Street is doing, because Wall Street does asset management. I do more than that, do it better, and I do it faster and smarter. That's what the whole channel is about. The reason being is because, again, I will provide financial consulting, investment research. I will provide also educational sources for viewers, subscribers, partners, clients, and everyone else for you to understand. So with that said, everything I'm saying is unscripted. I'm not reading off a script. This is all just me thinking of my ideas, putting into plan. Uh, it's gonna take. I don't have capital as of yet. I have to raise capital. I'm not going to no VC. I'm not going to no bank. I'm not gonna ask anybody else for money. I'm gonna do this on my own the right way. I want to own my company outright. I don't want anyone else taking market share of what I have worked so hard for. My track record speaks for itself. My proof of work is in my videos. That's the way I like to keep my note taking. I'm a little bit tired right now, but again, it comes with the territory when you're in the finance industry, because it's sheer determination and will for people like me to, offer these services and to serve other people that uh, are looking for investment returns, and then also to be educated along the way. I look at this as core investment. The reason I say that is because you know what you're getting. I'm educating you and also giving you learning tools as to how this process is, and creating a trustful environment as to any questions that you may have. I will be ready, willing, and able to answer. I'm not sugarcoating anything. I'm going to tell you how things are uh, based on my analysis and my evaluations. That will be included when I do a service package. I'm thinking of doing 3 different packages. Again, this is not going to be for institutions. So no asset firm, no asset management is going to do this, because again, they're not educating you as to what you're getting for your service or your your investment returns. Um, when people do asset management and all these big firms, you're not able to call them. You're not able to speak to, let's say, a manager or whatever. They're just using your money, and then you have no access to it. 401ks and all that. You might think you can get in touch with somebody. You just get in touch with customer service, but again, sometimes you can only go so far down the line as to calling the person at the bottom, and then you want to have a more detailed explanation and a deeper understanding and a deeper knowledge system as to how does this all work? What are you getting out of your investment? Like, can I trust you with my investment? How are you doing how are you doing with the investment that I entrusted you with? I share the same, uh, component as, I apologize for that. I share the same component as to how you guys think, feel, and act as well. Uh, I take your interest uh, as much as I'm willing to do it on my own, like the way I would like as well. So I completely understand that uh, these core, investments, they need to be understood fully so that way there are no complications. It can be ease of use, and people can feel comfortable with their investment for their own decision. Again, I'm not managing your money. You're doing that on your own. The only thing you will be doing is paying a fee to understand uh, all this financial data and uh, just a whole bunch of stuff. You're gonna have different portfolios to see and choose from. All these stocks, they're gonna be rated. You're gonna pick and choose and customize your own thing. Everything is gonna be customizable for you using my research, consulting, and my services. So please stay tuned for that. It's really gonna be good. I see this in the next generation. This is going to be the next generation. What I'm doing now, communicating to you as a consultant, this is only going to get even more interesting and more dynamic. You have a face to match the voice. You have a face to see and know who you're talking to and entrust your investments with. You know the person that you're entrusting the portfolio with, and it's a strong relationship as to uh, who you're talking to, and um, that that you can feel at ease even when things are going downhill. You're being educated, and you're being communicated as to what's going on. This is what I do differently. I'm able to communicate clearly and respectfully as to what we are doing during downside risk and upside risk. So again, it's going to carry great risk and reward, but I'm fully confident, and I know from my convictions and my awareness and my track record that everything will be just fine. And I have a long list of portfolios and track records as to how I do things. And again, you will be more than welcome if you do not enjoy uh, or feel that, I have given you success or assisted you with your customizable portfolio in order for you to be successful. You're more than willing to exit and not pay fees anymore and find someone else. So I hope that people can choose me for compared to any other advisor or asset management firm, because again, um, yes, you're you're paying a fee, which it's going to be a pretty penny, but again, the materials that you're going to get, the portfolio grades, and the way you're going to customize your portfolio is going to be so easy that you again, you choose it for your own liking and your own investment timeline and everything in it. So I have really big things to do with this uh, business coming up. I have plans to do it next year, raise some capital and all that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna keep uploading videos and be a hands-on Main Street investor, and be consulting people side by side, and be there as much as I can when I can. So thank you guys for watching. My time is up. See you guys in the next video.